Hello again. Something in common for all of us over the next 24 hours are the mild winds all the way up from the south. But big contrasts from the northwest, where it will be wet and windy, to the southeast, where it will be dry and fairly bright through much of Wednesday. Clear spells as we end the night for much of Scotland into central and eastern England, as well as parts of Wales. Now for Scotland, for the northeast at least, temperatures will fall away during the evening. 3 or 4 degrees in some sheltered glens. But after midnight, those temperatures will start to rise again because these southerly winds will pick up. We'll see the clouds spread in for Scotland, north and western parts of England, as well as West Wales and Northern Ireland. And then the rain will arrive. Winds reaching gale force around western coasts, and it's going to turn particularly soggy for parts of Northern Ireland, West Wales, northwest England and southwest Scotland. So an unsettled night here, but by dawn, all areas are going to be relatively mild, even despite clear spells for much of central and southern parts of the country. We start off with sunshine here, but a big contrast for western parts of Scotland. At 9 o'clock, rush hour, it's going to be steady, heavy rainfall for the far north of Scotland, down through western parts of the country, the southwest as well, Northern Ireland. And for North Wales and the northwest of England, we start off with some dampness, but the worst of the wet weather will be for Dumfries and Galloway, yellow warning in force because of the risk of localised flooding. Gales around some western coasts in addition to the rainfall, but the worst conditions do tend to ease off through the morning. The rainfall spreads north and it turns drier and brighter for the whole of northwest England, West Wales. Sunshine breaking out for much of England and Wales then. We keep cloudy skies for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some bits and pieces of rainfall. But the southerly wind, well, it's going to be mild, particularly for, say, North Wales, as well as northern parts of Scotland around the Moray coast, 16, perhaps 17 degrees, with all this air coming up from the south. And through Wednesday evening, we continue to see that keen wind. Again, winds touching gale force for the far northwest around exposed coasts, and we'll see bits and pieces of rainfall here as well. Rainfall returning by the end of the night into Northern Ireland. Cloudy skies here, elsewhere clear spells, but once again, a mild start to Thursday. We'll see some sunshine for eastern Scotland, northern England, parts of Wales during Thursday morning, but increasingly we're going to draw up cloudier skies for much of the country, especially for England and Wales. Cloud returning into Northern Ireland and western Scotland later on with some rain. Thursday not quite as mild as Wednesday, but it is dry and bright for many places, although we will see that cloud. More details online.